Okay, the next bhajan is going to be another Devi bhajan. Again, I apologize if we already know this bhajan. It's a repetition for you, but it looks like a new flow of devotees are coming on, and then they can learn this bhajan. This is Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi, Kamakoti Nilaye Kamakshi, Kashi Puradhishwari Vishweshwari, Parti Puradhishwari Saishwari. It's a small but beautiful bhajan. I think we picked Sri Priya. Are you on the online?
Yes, Auntie. Sai Ram.
Sai Ramma.
Thank you for the opportunity because this is very close to my heart. This bhajan, just wanted to share that because my dad used to sing this bhajan when I was a child, and that's how I learned this, and it's close to my heart. So feel really blessed. Yeah.
That's what I'm telling you. He just making it happen that we are not asking any not picking it because of some significance, but he's just bringing us together with the bhajans, and that is wonderful to hear. I hope good memories will bring you. Okay, we're going to do this. I think we decided F sharp, right?
Yes.
Yeah, F sharp Madhyamam. I'm going to sing once the whole thing, and then we'll go back to learning mode. And then Maniam, if you can share the lyrics, please.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi, Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi, Kamakoti Nilaye Kamakshi, Kamakoti Nilaye Kamakshi, Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi, Kashipuradhishwari Vishweshwari, Kashipuradhishwari Vishweshwari, Parti Puradhishwari Saishwari, Parti Puradhishwari Saishwari, Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi. Thank you. And I just want to say something, Sri Priya, when we're picking, when Swami comes to the darshan and he gives, he looks this side and that side. One look from him means so many different meanings to so many people, depending on whatever. So it's all his plan. This is also his plan. He's picking the bhajans that mean something to somebody, not just a singing God's name and praising Lord's name or enjoying singing God's Swami's name, but sentimental feelings behind it for different people. And it's amazing how he pulls everything together.
Yes.
I just wanted to share that. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to break it just for the benefit of new learners. Okay.
Okay.
Madhurapuri Nilaye
Madhurapuri Nilaye
Meenakshi,
Meenakshi,
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi,
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi,
Kamakoti Nilaye
कामकोटिनिलये
कामाक्षी
कामाक्षी
कामकोटिनिलये कामाक्षी
कामकोटिनिलये कामाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी
विश्वेश्वरी
विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी
साईश्वरी
साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी.
Very nice. So that's a simple beat on the beat only. So we'll sing slow speed again. Each line we'll repeat it twice. You have a Shruti going on there, Sri
Yes,
Priya?
I have Shruti. Yes, I have Shruti.
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी.
So, are you doing the beat on your leg?
Yes.
That what I'm hearing, again, it could be the delay from the internet. Forgive me if I'm picking up that Meenakshi. It looks like you're a little bit dragging there.
No, I think I dragged it. I realized it.
Okay,
I think I
you
dragged
realized
it.
it too? Okay, so
Yeah, yeah.
see if you can do the beat because this is in Zoom. It's hard to follow. I get it.
Okay.
Okay. Madhurapuri nilaye Meenakshi
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी.
Madhurapuri nilaye Meenakshi
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी.
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी
कामकोटिनिलये कामाक्षी.
Same thing, Kamakshi also.
Okay.
कामकोटि निलये कामाक्षी
कामकोटिनिलये कामाक्षी.
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी.
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी.
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी.
So when you went to that higher note, it's breaking. So come closer to the mic. Kashipuradishwari Vishweshwari
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी.
Patipuradishwari Saishwari
पतिपुराधीश्वरी Partipuraadishwari Saishwari. Can you
Partipura.
when you sing that every line, right? Even though I know the song, but then it brings out the nuances. You bring it out so beautifully. So that Partipuraadishwari, can you teach me one more time the nuances, how to bring that?
Partipuraadhishwari.
Partipuraadishwari.
Start everything except that Ra, Pura, you're bringing it down. Don't dip down. Partipura.
Partipu, Partipura,
Partipura.
Partipura,
Ishwari.
Dishwari,
Oh, Saishwari.
Saishwari,
Partipuraadhishwari. Saishwari.
Partipuraadishwari, Saishwari,
Parti.
Parti,
Yeah. Partipuraadhishwari. Saishwari.
Partipuradi,
Parti. So, Parti. We are doing Parti. I want Parti.
Parti.
There. I don't know. In my opinion, I could be wrong. It sounds
No.
more with the, it sync with the tune
Yes,
there.
yes, yes. Yeah.
Partipuraadhishwari. Saishwari.
Parti. It's so much to unlearn, actually.
I'm sorry. There's nothing wrong the way you're singing. Don't get me wrong. You're still
No,
in the
no, no. I
you're
think
still in
the way of
the
singing is beautiful. It's really beautiful.
but you're still in the tune. So I wouldn't stress out about it. Oh no, this is not how we were learning in the bhajan workshop. No. You have been singing that way for a while, then it's very hard to change it.
Yeah.
If I can change the way you're singing, it's going to be hard for me. I understand. Partipuraadhishwari. Saishwari.
Partipuradishwari, Saishwari.
So now let's sing the whole bhajan,
Okay.
each line twice, fast,
Hmm.
slow speed, and the fast speed. Okay.
Okay.
Anywhere. So there is one more variation. I'm trying very hard not to do it, but it's a beautiful one.
Hmm.
When you come back to Madhura Puri Nilaye, that's it. I mean, if you just do classical, they don't have to do it.
Hmm.
But
Okay.
I feel like I have to mention it. There is a possibility that somebody can do it. Go for it.
Okay.
I'm sitting on it.
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi. Okay.
But again, it is not required to sing that way for the bhajan. It's
Okay.
just the way I heard it, and I'm sitting on my hands not to do it, but I have to share that. So let's go.
Okay.
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi.
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi.
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi.
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi.
You're not doing the beat. Meenakshi is
Yeah.
again. Sing again.
Madhurapuri Nilaye Meenakshi.
Kamakoti Nilaye Kamakshi.
Kamakoti Nilaye Kamakshi.
Kamakoti Nilaye Kamakshi.
कामकोटिनिलये कामाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
कामकोटिनिलये कामाक्षी
कामकोटिनिलये कामाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
काशीपुराधीश्वरी विश्वेश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी
पतिपुराधीश्वरी साईश्वरी मधुरापुरी निलये मीनाक्षी.
Thank you so much, Sripriya.
Thank you
You did a
so
beautiful
much.
job. You did a beautiful job.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.